Hey everyone, I'm Daniel, a fourth-year computer science student at the French University in Armenia. In this video, I wanted to talk about my internship as a machine learning intern at SoftConstruct, which I passed as part of my curriculum. Join me as I take you through my journey, challenges, and the skills I gained during this experience. My internship involved working with a fantastic team of 6 students from my faculty. We were tasked with developing a learning management system platform. While each of us had different roles, my specific assignment was to create a recommendation system that could suggest personalized learning paths to users. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the technical work, let me tell you a bit about the day-to-day at SoftConstruct. Well, honestly, it was quite the experience, not gonna lie. There were definitely some massive unexpected challenges we had to face, but at the same time, there was a lot of good stuff too. Generally, there was a calm atmosphere, and I enjoyed the fact that I was working with my course mates. Even though we worked on separate tasks, the collaborative spirit made it a great place to learn and grow. The office space was large as well, offering plenty of room for creativity and of course some fun breaks. Oh, and one of the biggest pros was definitely the food. But enough of this yapping, let's see what we actually worked on. So for my task, it was required to work on the recommendation engine of the LMS platform. This process, it was kind of like going through the full machine learning pipeline. At the end, I managed to create an end-to-end machine learning project. I was very happy to apply a lot of the theoretical knowledge I'd learned from various classes in university into practice. It was actually interesting seeing some abstract concepts from textbooks, things I would never expect to ever deal with, come alive in a job setting. Now, let's take a deep dive into the technical side of my project. Here's how I tackled the problem. Step 1. Data collection. The first challenge was gathering the right data. Real-world data happens to be very messy and not readily formatted for analysis. After extensive research, I was able to find a dataset that reflects real user interactions. With the raw data in hand, the next step was cleaning and preprocessing. This involved handling missing values, data transformation, encoding categorical variables, and normalizing the data. These steps are crucial for ensuring that the machine learning model performs well. Before diving into complex models, I explored the data to understand underlying patterns and relationships. This helped in identifying the most significant features and understanding the data structure. Using Python and libraries like scikit-learn, I experimented with several machine learning algorithms. I implemented principal component analysis to reduce dimensionality, and then applied k-means clustering to segment the users effectively. Afterwards, I trained the machine learning model with k-nearest neighbors algorithm. After building the models and doing hyperparameter tuning, the next crucial phase was evaluating their performance. I used techniques like cross-validation, confusion metrics, and other accuracy metrics to refine the models and ensure their accuracy and reliability. We also had to make sure that we didn't deal with overfitting. The final step was implementing the recommendation logic. Based on clustering results, I developed a system that will predict the cluster for new users and suggest personalized courses to users effectively using the insights gained from the data. Overall, there were definitely some interesting lessons I had to learn from this experience, not just about technology, but also about working in a team and dealing with unexpected issues, and I think it will help me a lot in my future career and professional development. I hope you find this video interesting. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I hope to see you soon.